Howdy, welcome to another episode. I'm your host, Victor Pitstop. Today we're going to be driving the E36 M3, which I have already driven and reviewed, which you can see there in the top right corner. We're going to be trying to keep up with Canoe and his E46 M3, which I have also driven, which you can see there, you guessed it, in the top right corner. If you like driving fast and you like cars, and you like driving cars fast, then think about subscribing and liking. Anyways, here are some sweet BMW straight 6 noises for your ear holes. Enjoy! I am so sorry for cutting this short on you. I'm going to go ahead and do another one of these videos with this car for redemption and also the E36 M3, just so you can get more theatrics going. Again, if you like driving fast and you like cars and you like driving cars fast, then please like and subscribe. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers, so I want to thank you all for the support so far. Anyways, until next time, bye.